Hello everyone! I'm Ms.Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. When someone looks better in real life than in the picture, what would you say? Hey Gigi, what's up? What do you think of this picture? It's you. Well, it's cute. Why? Why do I look less pretty in the pictures? I'm so much cuter and prettier in real life. Oh, Gigi, you're so full of yourself. Have you ever experienced the difference between figure in the picture and real life? It may surprise you when the gap is too big. You can see the word 실물 here. 실 means real and 물 means figure. When someone or something looks better in real life, you can say 실물이 낫다. In this sentence, 낫다 means better. Then, what if it looks worse in real life? In that case, we would say 실물이 별로다. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. I love her so much. Mwah! Who? Oh, Jojo Sawa? I saw her at the shopping mall the other day. No kidding. Really? What did she look like? Well, 실물이 훨씬 나았어. She was such a cute girl. Did you see the new U-phone advertisement from Carrot? It looks so pretty. I saw that in real life yesterday. 실물은 별로야. Don't forget to practice 실물이 낫다 in your daily life, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!